The Pompeian campus Martius complex, built in 55 BC, boasts Rome's first stone theatre and also includes a temple, a curia, and the first public garden in the city. The virtual reconstruction of the entire complex, based on scientific methods, it's the subject of a thesis, includes simulations of different mechanical systems, effectiveness of the pumps for spassiones or the stage curtain, for example. The virtual model makes it possible to visualize the hugeness of the complex and achieve a better understanding of the mechanical systems used in theaters in antiquity. We will be interested here, in particular, in the force pump. Now we are at the top of the theater in front of the temple. There's an actor on the stage, and we can see that people sitting in the back rows could not see him very well. This explains why actors wore clothes of a special color according to their role. It's possible to see the curtain up on the pulpitum, and we see that its effectiveness is good, even if it's only 5 meters high. This is the size used in the theater in Lyon, in France. Now let's go on the pulpitum. Just in front of it is the orchestra, with 3 mechanical systems installed on it. These are pumps to spray saffron perfumed water in small droplets on the spectators and on the stage. For spectators, it's a kind of air conditioning, and probably only the first rows benefited from it. When it was used on the stage, it produced colored and perfumed haze, which can be used during the play. If we click on the pump, we have access to the documentation. Vitruvius the architecture helped us to reconstruct the pump. It is also possible to view an educational video to understand how the mechanical system works. The pump is immersed in water with 2 men activating it. We will show you 2 possibilities for reconstructing this pump. A pump without air in a central reservoir and a pump with air. We begin with the machine without air. Water is sucked up into the central reservoir, and a system of valves prevents it from draining back. The problem with this system is that between 2 cycles of the reciprocated motion, the water is not under pressure during a split second, so the water jet is discontinuous. Now, if there is air in the central reservoir, this air can be compressed when men pump. Between 2 cycles of the reciprocated motion, air is the source of power to push water through the pipe. With this system, the spray is continuous, and it is probably more pleasant than always having interruptions. This same pump was used by the firemen in ancient Rome. It can be turned from right to left and from top to bottom.